Alright, so I've always had Talon clean up his own mess. I think that it's important to teach them young that if they make a mess, they need to clean it. So this is how a 4-year-old cleans. Oh, and usually I'm pretty good to like come in and make sure things are still somewhat organized because, you know, he just throws things wherever. But I mean, I've been busy for the last 7 months. I've got a baby who's into everything, so I have seriously lacked in organizing this. So I've got like 2 hours. He's in school right now. I've got 2 hours to organize this mess. And his birthday is coming up, and so is Christmas in December, so I always like to do like a toy purge before any big holiday or something where he's gonna get toys, so there'll be room to organize more things. So here we go. Okay, here it is. Oh my goodness, that was a lot. But it looks so much better. There's room for whatever he gets for his birthday, Christmas. Not everything's overflowing. We'll see if he notices. I'm sure he will, but He's a pretty good trooper. He won't get too mad. And there's baby girl just hanging out. Yeah. You are so good. Yes, you are, huh? Okay. That's it. Okay, what do you think of your room?
I think it looks nice.
Looks nice?
Mhm.
I think so too. Can we keep it like that?
Mhm.
Yes.
But how did you do this?
I cleaned and organized it while you were at school.
Mm.
Do you like it?
Mhm. Minnie, what are you doing in that?
She's going potty.
I thought that green thing was my tablet.
Nope.
But watch this.
Yep. Okay.